Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open a Ford Explorer key fob. First, find the small release button on the side or back of your key fob. Press this button firmly and then pull out the hidden emergency key blade. This step is crucial as it reveals the next access point for opening the fob. It's a simple first move to get you started. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small slot or seam. Take a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin and insert it into this opening. Carefully twist the tool. You should hear a slight click as the two halves of the key fob begin to separate. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small coin cell battery inside. Most Ford key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Gently pry out the old battery, noting which side faces up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing the same direction. This ensures proper function and power for your key fob. Now that the new battery is in, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely into place. Finally, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until it clicks and locks. Your key fob is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.